In today's video, we are going to discuss how to remove a power supply pin from a power supply connector. In the Aqua Massage HP, you sometimes need to remove these wires from the power supply connector in order to rewire for a new model power supply. So normally they are pinned in here, and as you can see, the small barb on the back of the pin actually clips into this slot here, right here. So in order to remove this, we need to simply take a small flathead screwdriver like this, or basically anything that you can get inside this little slot. And it's best if you can do this with a flat surface behind you like so, but obviously most of the time you're doing this inside a machine, so best you can do is the surface behind it, or the panel behind it, excuse me. But you take your device, push it in right at the top of the slot as you're pulling out. And as you can see, this one is started, and now it comes out. And that's all it takes to pull one of the pins out. It is rather tough because you have to push on the barb as you're pulling the wire out. So you really need two hands to do this, which is why I say you really need something behind it to be able to push down against. For example, if I snap this in here now, I can do this with my hands, but it's very difficult. As you can see, I have to use several fingers of each hand, and I'm actually risking stabbing myself with my screwdriver. So if you can, get this flat to the panel behind it so you can push down like this. And as you can see, it comes out rather easily once you actually get the barb pushed in.